Welcome to the AI-14 Dashcam with Geotab GO9 installation guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to install your AI-14 Dashcam quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, unbox your AI-14 Dashcam and ensure you have all the necessary components. Inside the box, you'll find the AI-14 Dashcam with a micro SD card pre-installed and a SIM card if included with your SKU, a mounting bracket, a QR code for installation instructions, a T6 Torx wrench, alcohol wipes, and a notification window sticker. And then, unbox your GO9 to ensure you have all the necessary components. You will find a Geotab GO9, a cable tie, if purchased in North America, a CARB EO emissions sticker, serial number labels, and a quick start guide. Make sure you also have the additional items required for installation, such as the AI-14 IOX cable and Geotab T-harness kit. If you have a 24 volts vehicle, make sure you have the appropriate Geotab T-harness adapters. Before starting, complete the pre-installation checklist. Inspect the vehicle for any damage or cleanliness issues. Check the windshield for cracks or chips. Ensure no third-party devices are connected to the OBD-II port. Confirm the vehicle is operating normally with no warning lights. Record the GO9 serial number, AI-14 IMEI, and vehicle name. Please review all safety warnings and guidelines before installing. For IOX connections, find the female OBD-II port in your vehicle and remove the port cover. Take the Geotab T-harness cable, which has one male and two female ends. Plug the male end into the vehicle's OBD-II port. Attach the appropriate adapter to the female end of the OBD-II port with a Molex plug. Then, attach the Molex plug to the end of the T-harness cable. Place the female OBD-II port as the new available diagnostic port. Attach the GO9 device to the right-angled end of the T-harness. Remove the cover from the IOX port on the GO9 device. Take the IOX plug from the AI-14 IOX cable and attach it to the uncovered IOX port. Now let's mount the dashcam. Before you do, run your cables up the A-pillar and across the headliner, then plug the AI-14 into the power source. Open up the Live View function by touching the touch screen, entering the admin PIN provided by our reseller or your organization, and press Live View. Now choose a location on the windshield that provides a clear view of the road and the driver's upper body. Rotate the dashcam as needed to ensure optimal positioning. At the same time, make sure the camera does not obstruct the driver's field of view or interfere with any vehicle controls. Once you have found your positioning, clean the marked area with the alcohol wipe and let it dry completely. Then, attach the windshield mounting bracket. After 10 minutes, if you're using windshield mounting bracket V1, slide the dashcam into the bracket from the right side until it clicks into place. For windshield mounting bracket V2, insert the dashcam vertically until it clicks into place and secure it with the two Torx T6 screws. Secure all cables and reinstall any panels. Finally, perform the post-installation checklist. Verify the dashcam's live view. Once the angles are set, ensure all Torx T6 screws are tightened and check for cellular and GPS connections. Test vehicle functions like lights, power windows, and climate control. Take photographs of the installation, including the dashcam's position, live view, and cable routing. Record the vehicle name, IMEI, VIN, GO9 device serial number, and other details for documentation. Measure and record the following with a tape measure. You'll enter these values in the dashcam later or send them to your reselling partner for remote calibration. Dashcam height from the ground. Front axle width, the distance between the outer edges of the front tires. Dashcam lateral offset from the windshield centerline, measured inside the cabin. If the dashcam is to the right of center, record a negative value. If the dashcam is to the left of center, record a positive value. Congratulations! Your AI-14 Dashcam is now installed and ready to use. For more information, visit the Surfsight Help Center or contact your reseller support agent. Drive safely.